I am student at 청담. Today I will be talking my most memorable vacation. Vacation means go to trip and story other country. For example, one of Italy, I went swimming in the hotel and ate pizza, spaghetti. My best vacation is France, because France is very beautiful and I like the soccer player Neymar Jr. The worst vacation was Japan, because Japan still stuck though, and many people still Korea, and food isn't delicious, because all Japanese food is salty, and when I eat, I get a stomachache. And my best vacation was France, because France has delicious bread and the famous Eiffel Tower. Also, they have great soccer teams. My favorite soccer team is Paris. Paris is very famous team and Korea's soccer player league is Paris team. So worst vacation was Japan because food and history, but my best vacation was France because delicious food and great soccer. Therefore, great soccer is part of any best vacation. Thank you for listening with Paris, and thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope great soccer with Paris, and I wish first player with 청담 Video Classes.